With Excel for the web, you get the power of Excel on any device from anywhere. To get started, sign in to Office.com and select Excel. From the Start page, you can create a new blank workbook, pick a template, or open recent files. As Excel opens, you'll notice the new ribbon, making it easy to find and apply common Excel commands. You can work just like you always have. Add data. Create formulas. Use conditional formatting to make your data stand out. Or even add charts or pivot tables. New features like Ideas give you valuable insights into your data, taking your work to new heights. And with everything saved to the cloud, your work saves automatically. When you're ready to collaborate, select Share to send to anyone you're working with, then Work Together, add comments, all at the same time.